So it's installed successfully. Now let's see the next instruction. Create a .env file in a harder tutorial. Now let's create a .env file here. Okay. At the following lines, follow the instruction below. These two lines need to be added. Okay. Go to QuickNode and sign up for an account login QuickNode provider that lets you connect to various different blockchains we will using to deploy our contract to Hardhead. After creating an account, create an endpoint on QuickBoard, select Ethereum and then select the Goldie network, click continue in the bottom right and then click on the create endpoint, copy the link given to you in a SIP provider and uh, add to and add it to .env file below. So there is a quick note. I have I already have an account and I have already created an endpoint. You can create only one endpoint, so click on it and just copy this HTTP provider and paste it here. The other one is the private key. So where we are going to get